Morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. This channel is about education and sharing ideas in order to make better trades. Sharing ideas and information, watching videos online are all ways of learning, but you should never ever take advice from some random person on the internet. Do your own due diligence and learn that never take the trade recommendations from anybody. Today, I would like to talk about Accenture. Accenture is on my watch list of over 140 stocks, and I received a trade signal today to go short, and I want to do some analysis there and see if that's a good trade recommendation. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow is a holiday, so this is a short week. Yesterday, the big boys came back around, but the information services and communications have been mixed. Technological companies and internet companies, 5G companies, all doing good. Accenture, which is a information technology service, and I worked for them for a little while. They write programs that manage any kind of services, a lot of government contracts. They do most anything in the computer services industry. Basically, a nice run up. I believe it's at or near its support level. The last couple of days we've had some red candles. I won't say it's trending down. It had red candles, which indicates there's some resistance here. Target price is 296. It's trading at 276. There is some room to run yet, but I have an idea that the next few weeks in a month is going to be some mixtures, much like we had this week. This stock is profitable and profitable for the future. It's shortable. It has an analyst recommendation of a moderate buy or nearly a hold. It trades at enough volume to make this a tradable stock. Recent upgrades to buy. This is a strong stock. Lots of news. TipRanks has a target price of 300 with a moderate buy, much like FinViz. Currently trading at 276. It's got a overall 9 rating. If it wasn't trading at its resistance level or support level, but resistance level, and it wasn't overbought, I would go ahead and this is a good stock, a strong stock. Hedge fund activity decreased. If we're going short, we like that. Earnings is July. We had earnings here. Must have been, I didn't research it, but it must have been good. But now we're starting to fade. We have stochastic RSI and the RSI all pointing down. I like it when they are together like that. And the MACD says, hey, get ready to go short. As long as the zigzag is going in your direction. Now the zigzag, we have nice long trend lines here. The zigzag knew what it was doing here. And if it would have been a green candle, it would have continued to know what it's doing. But now it doesn't. We're going to have to assume that it's going to change. We have to wait 2 bars. And we have this trade we can take short. Let's see what Fibonacci says on how far it'll go. Drawing the fib lines. A 50% retracement is here. I think you could actually say it will get here in pre-market. Looks like a trend down here this morning. It's around 815. 276. 266. That's a $10 drop to right here. So let's remember 266. So the next step I do is I use option and option spreads to predict the move of the market. There's lots of videos on this. And taking an April 14th expiration at the money straddle, coming up with an expected move of 228. This gives me, based on the price open, I'm assuming I can get in there this morning at the open. It's all can change. Based on that move, the target price is 273. Remember that. Just for 1 second. And based on a 5% move with a risk reward of 5% and a stop loss at 2%, which is what we try to get, the price would have to move down to 262. 273, 262. The 262 is all the way down here. That's your 5% move. Fibonacci said 262. Oh my goodness. So you have to ask yourself, will this go down 5%? It's very doable. Very doable. The other one, expected move, that are calculated using options, was 273. There it is, 273. That's where I think things are going to happen. So, I'm going to summarize, but I do think the market in Accenture will move down a little bit over the next couple days, especially with the long weekend. And I think there's just a lot of opportunity here for a small, quick move. I like Accenture in the long term. It's got a tip ranks. It's rated at overall 9 with a target of 300. It's got some assets. Graham has said if you break the company apart, there'll be some leftover that's to put money left over to put in your pocket. It's got positive PE, which is profitable. It's got a market cap of 175. This is a company. It just reported earnings. It must have not been too bad. I didn't come back and look. We computed the options spread and came up with an expected move of $2.25 or 28 cents. And with that, our target price would be 273 with expected profit around $9, $10, $12. Now, with that expected profit is with account and where you invest $1,200, you're taking a 2% risk. But if you had a bigger account, say $3,000, you'd bring it up to about $25. This is not going to last much. You're not risking much either. You're not risking the $3,000, not with the stop loss and your target take profit. Anyway, a 5% run is definitely doable with this stock as well. What do you think? Do you think it's coming down to here or to here? Please let your comments in below. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'll be shorting Accenture in the morning, or this is the morning, so just as soon as it opens, I'll catch you on the flip.